Hashtag short. Guys, y'all see where I'm at? I'm at this is a Chrysler dealership. Now today's Saturday. I don't know. I want to go into the service department. Oh, it don't even look like they open. Lucky dogs. I'm out of town. I'm in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. I wanted to go in and chit chat with some of the mechanics. You know, see what they do, what they working on, how they roll. But I should came up here yesterday. I wasn't thinking. I didn't think. Look like a shop open. Y'all hold tight. We might be in luck. I'm gonna go over there. I see somebody working on a charger. Alright, y'all hold tight. I might be in luck. Oh, this look like the detail department though. Let's find out. Who here? Anybody here? Mike! Go around to the other side. I don't see no technician here, guys. I might be wasting my time. But yeah, typical Chrysler dealerships. You see Chryslers out here. Alright. Turn out I guess it's not a shorts video because I'm already over my limit. Check out the SRT. Is that an SRT? I don't know. I see one guy. Let me go see what he up to. Yo, my man. Ah, damn. Sir, hey, the service closed today, man?
Yeah.
Damn, no mechanics here today?
Mm-hmm.
Was just the detail department open?
Yeah.
No, I wanted to holler at one of the mechanics, see what they up to. I work for Chrysler out in Georgia. Just want to get in one of them. Ain't none of them suckers here today. Just because it's a holiday, or y'all normally close?
They just not here today. You want me to call them one?
Huh?
Want to try calling somebody?
Nah. If they off today, that's cool. All right, I'm just stopping by. Y'all, you do know the shop is open on the other side, huh? Or the
Phil?
No, the shop part.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm aware. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, man. Let me get out of here. All right. So the mechanics. I basically wanted to know, like, are they doing Pentastar engines on a regular, or things like that, or what are they seeing? Get into a mechanic's ear. Mechanics, we can find a lot to talk about. Oh, look at that old 300 right there, guy. Well, you at Tom Cook. I know you familiar with that. See, these guys, when they need a part, they got to be on point with their parts. Like, we have the luxury of, spare parts, or even squad car in the building. I bet that's got a Hellcat in it. Maybe not. Well, I'm a roll, guys. This is a typical Chrysler dealer in Pine Bluff, Arkansas. And nobody's here, so it's been real, guys. I'll chit chat with y'all next time I'm in town. Hashtag short.